Today we're going to be highlighting the TPM HP DFAM Block. This is a great sample of how to unlock the power of powder-based 3D printing technology. For starters, we modeled this part in SolidWorks, making the design time quick and the part easily adjustable for change. Then, we applied two lattice styles. First, a variable density beam lattice, which places materials only where it's needed, reducing both weight and cost. Bonus points for looking super cool. Then, a honeycomb infill from Magix, which automatically models with just a few clicks, helping save on design time, material, and weight for things like prototypes or quick functional parts. This completely eliminates the need to sketch and pattern the geometry in CAD. We also built in functional assembly features like a print-in-place spring, snap bits, hinges, and usable threads straight off the print bed. What this means is you can unlock the ability to design advanced assembly features without the advanced tooling that typically comes with it. This piece also showcases the use of metal embedded hardware in 3D printed parts. We added a snapping retainer for a square nut, magnets, and a press fit pin, all ready for quick and easy installation. By adding embedded hardware, this does things like added strength where necessary, and even frees up your machine shop from unnecessary work. What's great about powder-based 3D printing systems in general is its freedom of design. What sets HP apart is its proprietary technology that opens up a true production system, designed to maximize throughput. In just 12 hours, we can produce 140 DFAM blocks, empowering users to do more than ever before with a single system.